everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to add to our Italian style Super Bowl feast and we're going to make up some of these delicious pizza fries. These are just like a pizza, except instead of crust, you're going to use some French fries. Super easy, super delicious, and everyone who comes to your Super Bowl party is going to absolutely love them. Let's go see how these all come together. Okay, to get started, before we move on to making our pizza fries, I want to let you know that today's video is being sponsored by Playtika, and they are the makers of the most popular bingo game app in the world called Bingo Blitz. I have been playing Bingo Blitz for a little while now, and I absolutely love it, and if you are a fan of bingo and a fan of games, you're going to love this game. But they did want me to let you know at the beginning here that you can already download the app from the link down below in the description box, and you can download the game, and in the meantime, let's move on and I'm going to show you how to make these awesome pizza fries. We're going to make some pizza fries to go along with our kind of Italian themed Super Bowl snacks. I don't know if any of you noticed that, but we kind of went with a theme this year and it's all kind of Italian style. Everything from the pizza burgers, a la Rick's Cafeteria. So we did the pizza burgers and we did the pasta chips and then we made Italian nachos out of the pasta chips and then we did the garlic and parmesan wings and now we're going to do these pizza fries and that's going to conclude our Super Bowl snacks for 2018 because I feel like if you put this spread out for your friends and your family, they're going to love it and nobody is going to go away hungry. You can just keep replenishing depending on how big your party is and it's going to be super easy and it's pretty low on the budget if you ask me. So what I have here is just one bag of frozen French fries, but these are nice and I went ahead and I just popped them in the fryer for about 10 minutes and they're nice and crisp. So what we're gonna do is really simple, as you might expect. We're gonna top this with some pizza sauce and we're just gonna randomly put, this is an 8-ounce jar of pizza sauce. This is not my homemade pizza sauce, this is off the shelf because it was convenient and easy, and you know, some of you aren't going to take the time to make your own, and that's just fine. This is the DiGiorno brand pizza sauce, and it's my favorite store-bought sauce. It's nice and rich and thick. And then we're going to take a couple of cups of mozzarella cheese. This is whole milk mozzarella. I am lucky enough to get the whole milk mozzarella cheese at my local grocery store. And yes, this was pre-shredded, but you do what you like. If you have a particular kind of mozzarella cheese that you like, go ahead and use that. So it's about 2 cups. This is one 8-ounce bag. Then Molly opened up a can of mushrooms this morning for her breakfast, or yesterday morning, something. But we're gonna go ahead and use the remainder of that can of mushrooms. You can top this with whatever you like. I'm gonna use some more of these mini pepperoni because that's what we have. Use what you like. What do you like on your pizza? Do you like a veggie pizza? Go all out and do green peppers and onions and whatever it is you like on your pizza. Olives and green chilies or jalapenos or pepperoncinis. Whatever it is you love best, you can put on these pizza fries. And this is about a cup, so it's about a half a bag of those mini pepperoni. Easy stuff. I have my oven preheated to 350. I'm going to pop these in there for about 10 minutes until this cheese is melty and delicious, and we'll be back and we'll show you what these pizza fries look like. Okay guys, while our pizza fries are in the oven coming to a delicious melty goodness, I thought that I wanted to take some time to share with you all about Playtika's Bingo Blitz app. Now if you guys love video game apps or just fun ways to relax and kill some time, this is a great app to choose. Now, I want to thank Playtika for sponsoring this video and giving me the opportunity to share it with you. I just love video games. Anybody who knows me knows that video games are one of my favorite things to do, and it has been ever since I was a kid. So the phone games are a great way for me to have a little bit of me time and play a video game. Playtika Bingo Blitz is the #1 bingo app in the world, which I think is kind of cool just to know. And Playtika makes lots and lots of different apps with super high quality graphics and never any ads. So that's a plus for me. Bingo Blitz is a great bingo app. You're playing real time with people from all over the world. They have other seasonal games and events that you play in the app itself, and that helps you to increase your coins and your bingo points and your power-ups and all of that. Of course, you can always buy extra if you want to, but I always kind of make it a personal challenge to earn those things as I play the game. The best part about Bingo Blitz is that it takes you on a quest around the world. You're going to go to all sorts of cities all over the world, and every level is a different city. So when you go to Rome, you're going to have somebody who sounds Italian calling the numbers, and you're going to have music in the background that sounds like it's native to that particular country. But it's just a lot of fun. Someone's calling those numbers, and you're daubing them off your card, just like you would if you were sitting in a bingo hall playing bingo. Only this bingo you get to play at your leisure. You're not taking any risk, and you're just having a little bit of downtime and a lot of fun. And you're also playing with people from all over the world. Bingo Blitz is offering Noreen's Kitchen subscribers the opportunity to download the app, which is always free, but in a couple of days you're going to be able to get 50 credits plus 6 power-ups free of charge. So go ahead and download Playtika's Bingo Blitz using the link down below, and then in a couple of days, you'll be receiving your 50 free credits and 6 free power-ups. But please keep in mind that this offer is only good for 1 week, starting today, February 2nd, and running through next week, February 9th. That's it. They're only doing this for 1 week, and then you'll be out of luck. So make sure that you download the link from the link down below, play Bingo Blitz, and take advantage of those free coins and free power-ups because it's a lot of fun. So I hope you give it a try. I really love it. I think it's a lot of fun. And what do you have to lose? Absolutely nothing. You get to play a game for free. You get some free coinage. You get some free power-ups, and it's going to just be a little bit of fun for you. So let's go see what our pizza fries look like. I can't wait. I think they're going to be fantastic. There you have it. Our pizza fries are hot out of the oven, and I think they look fantastic.
They look delicious.
Rick is like really excited about them. Rick loves fries, and he loves pizza. So this is like a marriage of 2 of his favorite all-time things. If I could fit Twinkies in here, it would be all over for him.
Drawing the line there.
I know, but you haven't had Twinkies in like forever.
No, not like they used to be.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Cheesy goodness.
I wasn't looking.
Ready?
I have to.
How is it?
Oh man.
Yes?
I've made enough for everybody.
Yeah, well, probably not my cup of tea, but it's actually not bad at all.
No.
No, it's good. A sprinkling of some pizza seasoning would really top it off perfectly. And I wasn't thinking when I put everything together. Those are really good. These are easy to make. You can make double batch, put them on a big sheet pan. Just put them on your Super Bowl buffet. You can even make these in a casserole dish. And then just put out some tongs and let everybody serve themselves. It's going to be great. They're going to love it. So I hope you like this, and if you like today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already, if you're new to my kitchen and you're joining me for the first time, welcome. Always a pleasure to welcome new friends in. If you would, I'm starting that over. So how easy was that? Pizza fries. I hope that you'll give these a try. If you like today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen, welcome. Always a pleasure. Please hit that subscribe button. And if you're already a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please remember to go down below, even Sissy says so, and hit that bell notification button, because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope that you give pizza fries a try sometime soon, and I hope you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.